So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install NVIDIA graphics card driver on your PC. So first of all, open the browser on your PC. Now here search for NVIDIA graphics driver download. Now click on this first link that appears. Here you can manually search for the driver. Here, click on this drop down menu. Now select the series. For example, let's select GeForce. Now click on this menu and you can select any series. For example, on my laptop I have MX150 graphics card. So I will select GeForce MX100 series notebook. Now click on this menu and select the graphics card. From here let's select MX150. Select your Windows version. For this click here. After this click here and select Windows version. For example Windows 11. Now click on find. So now this is the driver. Click on view. So now you will see all the drivers. From here select Game Ready driver. This is the latest one. Click on view. Click on download. And this will start downloading the driver. And now the setup is downloaded. Click on it to run it. Now in the UAC prompt, click on yes. Now click on OK and follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. So this is how you can install NVIDIA graphics driver on your Windows PC. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.